Okay, so for question number 2, the first thing that you want to do is you want to try to separate the compounds into their ions. All right. So I've done that for you guys here. So in the reactants, potassium chlorite, you're going to get potassium ions, which have a +1 charge, chlorite, which has a negative charge. These are so potassium is in the first group of the periodic table. Chlorite's one of those polyatomics that you need to memorize. Oxygen, right, there's no charge on it, and it doesn't break up into ions. Right, potassium has a positive charge, and then chlorate has a negative charge as well. All right, so that's the first one. For our second example, so the cobalt in this case is bound to 2 chlorines. So each chlorine, we should know, has a negative charge because it's in the 17th group of the periodic table, so it has a -1 charge. Since there's 2 of them, cobalt has to have a +2 charge. All right. Sodium is in group 1, so it has a positive charge, and hydroxide is another one of those polyatomics you should know it has a -1 charge. And then the products, you have cobalt with a +2 charge, hydroxide with a negative charge, sodium again with a positive charge, and chlorine with a negative charge. If we move on to problem 3, with zinc, so it's zinc metal here, so there's no charge on it, so it has a 0 charge. And so cobalt is bound to 2 nitrates. All right, so this is again one of those polyatomic ions you need to know from that table that you had to memorize in chapter 3. So nitrate has a -1 charge. Since there's 2 of them, cobalt has to have a +2 charge. Now in the products, we have zinc nitrate. All right, so nitrate still has a -1 charge, which means that zinc has to have a +2 charge. And here we have cobalt metal. So anytime we just have an element by itself without a charge explicitly written, its charge is 0.